this letter finds you well. The desert is so warm today. I'll send it on the wind. It's the fastest mail there is. Whoa! Whoa! Safe travels, little letter. Oof. What's this? Blizzard, what have you found?
From the Sahara Desert? It's come all the way here.
But the address is smudged. It just says, "To my friend Luna."
This letter needs to go back to its sender. It's an important delivery. We have a mission, Blizzard. A very, very long-distance delivery.
Adventure!
Next stop, the Sahara.
Woof! So much sand! Wow! It's feeling very warm.
Hot. Hot paws.
Don't worry, buddy. We just need to find the girl who wrote this. This might be harder than I thought.
So hot. Here, have some water. We need to keep going.
Look! Someone's there.
Well, hello there. You two seem a little cold.
Cold! We're melting! We're from the Arctic!
I can see that. Not many huskies visit the Sahara.
What brings you here? We're on a special delivery. We need to return this to a girl named Zola.
Zola? The little nomad girl with the big smile?
I know her. You do? Hooray!
Her family moves with the seasons. But I know where their camp should be now.
Can you help us? Please?
Of course! The desert is too big to cross on tiny paws and elf feet. Hop.
Thank you, Comet! You're a lifesaver! Look! There's the oasis!
We're really on our way now. This is gonna be the best adventure ever!
Woof! This is much better. We head for the Sleeping Giant Rocks. Her camp is usually near the oasis there.
The stars look so different here.
The desert is beautiful, but you must respect it. Always have water.
Look! Footprints?
Yes.
We are getting close.
These are the tracks of her family's herd.
I think I see something.
We found it!
Here you go, little one.
The camp looks wonderful. I can't wait to rest.
Comet. And
Huh?
who are your friends?
Are you Zola? We have a special delivery for you.
My letter. It came back. It came back.
It flew all the way to the Arctic. We thought you'd want it back.
Thank you. I was so sad when the wind took it.
A snow dog in the sun. You are the bravest dog ever.
And you are the best mail carrier in the whole world.
It seems this delivery was a success. Mission accomplished!
I'm so glad you found me. Now I have new friends from all over the world.
Don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time.